Hey, what's going on, guys? I got this portable docking station and stand here because I do a lot of work on the computer all the time and I hate sitting still in one spot. So I wanted something that I could easily set up a second monitor on and move it around with me on like my portable desk here. So there's a lot of things that I really like about this particular one, and I'm going to walk you through all of those things. So first, let me go ahead and take my monitor off here so I can show you everything. It has the docking station right here, but I love that it's actually magnetic. So if you want to leave your docking station somewhere and just take this, so you have the stand to pack it up and take it with you to work remotely somewhere else, you can easily do that. Or if you want to have the whole docking station with you, it has a really strong magnet that just sits right in there. And then also the docking station and the entire stand itself is made of like really high quality fill-in metal. It feels really sturdy. I don't think I've ever had one that felt so strong and durable, so I love that. Also, aside from the docking station, you have just the overall stand here. So it swivels and rotates and moves all kinds of different directions. So you can turn this thing 360 degrees. So if you want to share your screen, a monitor, you're working on something to show somebody else, you can easily turn it and show them. Or if you just simply want to reposition your heights here, you can do that. And it has this back one here. So you have several different ways that you can pivot your arms on here. It also will fold down really small. So it folds down to right about 2 inches. So it doesn't take much space. So if you want to throw it in a backpack or something, it's really easy. And then on the top, you see these rubber pads. And then also on the bottom, you have these rubber silicone pads that keep it from sliding around, and they do a really good job. One thing I think you should know, and I think it's a good thing, is that these hinges on here, they are really stiff. Obviously though, if you set your monitors or computer or anything on there, you want them to be stiff because you don't want it to fall, right? So you saw I had my monitor on there just a second ago, but now I'm switching and I'm gonna just throw my laptop up on here. You can easily adjust your angles for typing and your visuals so you can have better posture. There's just really a lot of things that I love about this particular stand. All the ones I've had, they don't feel durable or they're not portable. This one, to me, I feel like really just has everything that you need. I'm super happy with it, and I definitely would recommend it.